These are the Cece and Fudgie kittens. They are 4.5 weeks old. I just woke them up from nap time. Oh, you can see a big yawn there. That's the blue classic tabby and white girl. Hello, baby. There's the cream and white boy. Oh, nappies. And there's the red and white classic tabby boy. Oh boy, they need their coffee. Everything's going on schedule for them. The little kitten yawns are so cute. They are exploring the room now. And they're eating some solid food too. All on their own. I didn't start working with them or anything. Just one day they started eating mommy's food. Oh, taking little baths on their own now too. Are you stuck in a hole there, little girl?